So I'm not sure what order I'm gonna put these in, but I'm making separate videos for each time I go fish while I'm out here. So what I'm gonna do today, the surf is pretty calm. I think it's like 1 to 2 feet waves. I gotta go out there. But there is a lake behind the house about 4 minutes. If you are familiar with the PCB area, you might know what I'm talking about. Let's see if we can catch a couple croaker back there. There are redfish, black drum, pompano. Supposedly bull sharks are in there. What else did I catch? Ladyfishes, mangrove snappers, everything in there. But I'm gonna go over there about 7. It's 5:48 right now. I'm gonna fish the beach first. Same setup, except at the lake, I'm using all these rods behind me. I'm probably gonna throw a swim bait on this one for a redfish, why not? Or a speckled trout, who knows? But the rest of the rigs are gonna stay the same. Bottom rigs, all of them except for the one with the red braid. The same bait, got shrimp, finger mullet, cigar minnows. The same bait, you know, we catch fish. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go walk to the beach, and I'll catch you guys at the lake. Alright. This is the lake. I'll take a look at it. We gotta see. Okay. Same shrimp for this one. I caught 4 pinfish already. They'll probably hit this one immediately. Oh, they're hitting that one. That was a fish right there. They don't hit it when I hold it. I don't like how they don't. See, that one, I hold it, they'll hit it after. This is a brackish water lake, though. It's connected to the Gulf to my left. And the river comes in from the north side up that waterway. Now they don't want to hit it when I turn the camera on. There's a fish right there. I don't know why they don't want to hit it now. I wonder if they ate the shrimp off of this one. Yeah. Yeah, they got it. Walk to my left a little bit. I got a 2-ounce weight on this. I'm gonna bomb it. Yeah, there we go. I threw it all the way out there. Let it sit out there too. I ain't gonna reel it in. Too much. They hitting this one. Is that a fish? Yeah, I feel him. That's a fish. Unless he came off. I think he came off. I feel weight though. There's a. Oh, they followed him in.
Y'all want new fish? Some snappers and drums and stuff in here.
How big are they?
They pretty big. Pretty big.
I'll take a look at them. Hold on.
Right here, and the rest of it will come back around.
All right.
Later on, I'll explain what's going on in this clip, but as you heard, these guys are trying to offer me what they caught earlier in the day. I was watching them fish for a little bit. They caught pinfish, so I was like, I'm going to take a look and see what y'all had caught. And he says snapper. So he opens up his bait bucket, which he's keeping his fish in, and I saw pinfish, and then this undersized mangrove snapper. That's why you always have to ask how big it is. And yes, all the fish in there but like 2 were dead. So I took the live ones and I threw them back in. Every one of the other fish he had caught were dead. The mangrove snapper was not 10 inches. He was way undersized. Yeah, man, I'm gonna let y'all watch it. Alright, so I'm walking over to the dock. I came here last year. I couldn't really talk too much, but there's a crab. Well, there are a couple crabs under there. But nah, I came here last year and I caught croaker, black drum, and 1 pompano. Supposedly there are mangrove snappers in here, redfish, speckled trout. I heard bull sharks were in here. What are those little bait fish? On the other side of the lake, though, there are bass, catfish. I would assume gar would be in here too. They're in the West Bay. That probably was a mullet. Well, I got shrimp on a size 1 circle hook. I'm just gonna drop it down here and see if a mangrove is here. On that piling. The pinfish are down there. Oh no, I see mangroves. I see mangroves. I see mangroves. They took it. So there are mangroves. They're not big mangroves, but they're down there. I'm gonna see what's on the other dock. There are alligators in here as well. So I see pinfish and mangroves. Oh, what are those? Oh, yeah, I see mangroves right here. Look, I just want to catch one on the channel. The small ones are eating it. Wait, is he on? They're taking it under. I want a legal mangrove to keep. They gotta be 10 inches out here in Florida. I think I got one, y'all. Oh, that was a big mangrove. Look at that mangrove snapper. He has to go back. He's way undersized. He's not 10 inches. I saw some bigger mangroves under this platform. He has teeth, though. Okay, we're gonna get him off. I got you, buddy. I got you. Got these shrimp. I'm gonna sit these shrimp down. I don't think they're sharp. I think only the gill plates are. Hook came out. He goes. There he goes. That's cool. I've never caught a mangrove out here. They told me last year that they were in here. I just didn't come over here and like actually fish it. There was a bigger mangrove to come out under this dock though. That was pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna come back over here and look, I need more shrimp. I only took about 5 pieces with me. I should have just took the bag. That's cool though. Let me drop this in right here, see if anything's here. The bigger mangrove, they're under this dock. Looks like redfish would be over here. I tried last year for redfish here. There's mullet jumping out over there. There's a big mangrove down there. I see him. I don't know if he's legal or not. There he goes. He's there. He's looking at it. Oh no. Come back. Come back forward. Come back. He's looking at it. You're not big enough. You're not legal, bro. They turn it up. A little piece of shrimp on here now. Does he have it? I got one. I think it's a big one too. Look at that mangrove, y'all. Sit these shrimp down. Can y'all see him? The camera's on good. I gotta be careful. These guys do have teeth, and they snap. That's why they call it snapper. If you're gonna wiggle, go ahead and get it out, bro. Ouch. His teeth got me. I'm good, though. Got my hook out, too. My bad, snapper. Go ahead, back in, though. If he was legal, bro, I'm keeping him. I got my license. I got my reef and crab one as well. What are these, glass minnows? There's a mangrove right there, I think. Bigger mangrove. Is that a baby sheep? There is a baby sheep's head. I think they're in here too. That's pretty cool. I haven't caught a sheep's head yet. I don't think I will out of here. But that's good to know that they're in here. I've caught blue crabs out of this lake too. I'm not sure if I said that. They're big. They're really big under here. No. I got him. I got one. Third mangrove snapper. That's my dad. I'm gonna take a picture of this one and get it back in. I think my PB is 10 inches. And this was in Gulf Shores, Alabama. This one is not legal, so he's gonna go back. I don't think there's a 10-inch mangrove out of here. Those guys that came over, I don't know if I recorded it, but they tried to give me their fish. There was a legal croaker in there, which I did take, and unfortunately, there was an undersized mangrove snapper in there, and he didn't make it. And a couple pinfish. I don't know why they kept pinfish. But maybe they eat them. Got my hook back. Look at that mangrove though, bro. It's a cool little fish. He's going back in. Oh, I see he came out. He swam out from under. Did he get me around the pylon? There we go. All right. There's another mangrove snapper. He's gonna go back. He's not legal. I just got spined by a pinfish earlier too. I was bleeding a little bit, but I'm good. Wiggle. Get that last wiggle out. He gonna, when I grab him, he gonna wiggle. What I told you. Mangrove, he's going back in. All right, I'm gonna walk back over here. I just really wanted to come and record out here because I came here last year. I was supposed to do it and I caught the croaker and stuff, but it was kind of dark. But I like really enjoy fishing this spot here. It's a real cool spot. I wish I had a boat for out here too. What kind of fish is that? Do they have darters? I mean, this is a brackish water lake. I'm not sure if there's saltwater darters or I'm not sure. Just cast it out off here and let it sit. We're gonna see what happens. I got something. It's a pinfish? I think it's a pinfish. It is, sure is. I'm gonna leave it swimming. Let me see if there's something else in there that'll follow it. I don't see nothing else following it. That's the only piece of shrimp I bought over here too. Let me get the pliers, I'll be back. I'm not trying to get spined again. Y'all see him though? All right. I ain't even recording either. Got one, I don't know what it is.
I think it's small.
So as I was reeling this fish, and I did have an audience to my left, you guys will see him after I catch this fish. But they thought I had on a monster. And I bought it, and I'm gonna let y'all watch it.
What is that? Oh, it's a croaker.
Oh my fucking.
He took that sucker down though.
About to beat you up, son.
He croaking.
He croaking. Boy, croaking. Sound like you passing gas.
That's why they call it a croaker. There you go.
Get out of here.
There she is. He went and got it.
Oh.